Hello everyone, welcome to the journey of maths with Sarah, a true lover of maths. Our today's topic is permutations and combinations. This topic is very important for JEE, NDA, GRE and many other competitive exams too. If you grab it from the root, it will be interesting and easy too. So today we will learn some basic concepts of permutations and combinations. Now, what is permutations and combinations? Permutations and combinations are counting techniques. What is new in this counting techniques? With the help of these counting techniques, we can arrange and select objects without actually listing them. In order to learn this counting techniques, we must know some fundamental principles. That is called fundamental principle of counting. Fundamental principle of counting. All these are mathematical jargons. Let me explain it with the help of an example. Suppose there are three roots from Bhilai to Durg and 4 routes from Durg to Raipur. Suppose there are 3 routes from Bhilai to Durg and 4 routes from Durg to Raipur. How many ways we can travel from Bhilai to Raipur? Let the routes be A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Okay, how many ways we can travel from Bhilai to Raipur? First follow the route A, then the route D, we will reach Raipur. Follow A, then E, then also we can reach Raipur. Follow A, then F, then also we can reach Raipur. Follow A, then G, then also we can reach Raipur. Means 4 ways. AD, AE, AF and AG. First we will list all the routes, then I will explain fundamental principle of counting. Okay, now what is the next way of going from Bhilai to Raipur? Follow the route B, then D, BD. Follow the route B, then E, BE. Follow the route B, then F, BF. Follow the route B, then G, that is BG. Again 4 ways of traveling from Bhilai to Raipur. Now follow the route C, then D. Follow the route C, then D, that is CD, CE, CF, CG. Again 4 ways from Bhilai to Raipur. Altogether 4 plus 4 plus 4, that is equal to 12 ways we can travel from Bhilai to Raipur. It's a lengthy method. We can do this quickly with the help of fundamental principle of counting. What is fundamental principle of counting says? If an event can occur in m different ways, if an event can occur in m different ways followed by another event which can occur in n different ways. An event can occur in m different ways followed which another event can occur in n different ways, then total way of occurrence is equal to m into n. Now using this principle, we can write the total way of traveling from Bhilai to Raipur too. Bhilai to Durg, we can travel from Bhilai to Durg in 3 different ways and Durg to Raipur in 4 different ways. Altogether 3 into 4 is equal to 12 ways we can travel from Bhilai to Raipur. That means we can arrange without actually listing them. We are not actually listing all the ways. We can write the answer directly with the help of fundamental principle of counting. Let me explain it with one more example. How digit numbers can be formed using the digits 1, 2, 3? How many 2-digit numbers can be formed using the digits 1, 2, 3? Okay. First we will list it, then we will apply fundamental principle of counting. We will check it with one more example. So, the digits here are 1, 2, 3 and we have to form 2-digit numbers using 1, 2, 3. Two ways we can form. With repetition means digits can be repeated or digits cannot be repeated. If digits can be repeated, we are listing all the possible numbers here. What are the possibilities? 2-digit numbers using the 3-digit. First possibility is 1, 1 because we can repeat the digits. Second one is 1, 2. Third possibility is 1, 3. Now starting with 2. 2, 1. Since digits can be repeated, 2, 2 and 2, 3. Now starting with 3. 3, 1. 3, 2 and 3, 3. Altogether 9 different numbers can be formed using the digits 1, 2, 3. Suppose we are applying fundamental principle of counting. Then what is the answer? There are two places. First place can be filled using all the 3 digits in 3 different ways. We can use 1, 2, 3 in the first place, that can be filled using all the 3 different digits in 3 different ways. Second place also can be filled using 1, 2, 3 in 3 different ways. Using fundamental principle of counting, 3 into 3, 9 numbers can be possible. Look here also, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Without listing all this, we can write the answer directly with the help of fundamental principle of counting. Second case, here digits can be repeated. Suppose the digits cannot be repeated, then what is the possible number of numbers? Digits cannot be repeated. First we will list all the numbers, then we will use fundamental principle of counting. So digits cannot be repeated. 1, 1 is not possible. 1, 2 and 1, 3 are the numbers possible because digits cannot be repeated. 1, 2 and 1, 3. Again 2, 1, 2, 3. 2, 2 is not possible because digits cannot be repeated. Here 3, 1 and 3, 2. So the possible numbers are 1, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1, 2, 3, 3, 1, 3, 2. How can we write the 6 using fundamental principle of counting? Again, two places we have to fill. If we fix 1 here, then the possibility here are only 2 and 3. If we fix 2 here, the possibility here are 1 and 3. If we fix 3 here, the possibility here are 1 and 2. So first place can be filled in 3 different ways using 1, 2, 3. After fixing the first place, only 2 digits left. Only 2 digits left because digits cannot be repeated. So second place can be filled in 2 different ways. So total numbers possible is equal to, without repetition, total number of 2-digit numbers formed using the digits 1, 2, 3 is 3 into 2 is equal to 6. Let us discuss some more questions. Look at the question. How many 3-digit numbers can be formed from the digits 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, assuming that repetition of digits is allowed and repetition of digits is not allowed? Now we have 5 digits and we have to form 3-digit numbers. We are using fundamental principle of counting directly here. Okay? We have to form 3-digit numbers. Unit, tens, hundreds place. 3-digit numbers using the digit 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. First case, repetition of digits is allowed. Means we can write the numbers like 1, 1, 1, 2, 2, 2, 1, 2, 2. Repetition of digits is allowed. Then, how many ways we can fill the hundreds place using the digits 1, 2, 3, 4, 5? Is all the digits possible here? Yes. Hundreds place can be filled using the digits 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In how many ways? 5 ways. Means 1 fixed, then 2, 3, 2, 4, 2, 5, like that. So, first place can be filled using the digits 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in 5 different ways. What about tens place? Here, repetition of digits is allowed. So, second place 2 can be filled using all the 5 digits in 5 different ways. Is it clear? Second place 2 can be filled using all the 5 digits in 5 different ways. What about the unit place? Since repetition of digits allowed, here also we can fill the place using all the digits. So, 5 different ways. Using fundamental principle of counting, number of numbers possible is equal to 5 into 5 into 5, that is equal to 125 3-digit numbers possible using the digits 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Clear? Now, second case, repetition of digits not allowed. Again 3 places, units, 10, hundreds place. Repetition of digits not allowed. Means 1, 2, 3 possible, 1, 2, 2 not possible, 1, 1, 1 not possible. So, fix 1 digit here. Hundreds place can be filled using all the 5 digits. After fixing 1 digit here, if we fix 1 here, then we cannot repeat 1 in tens or units place. So, after fixing 1 digit here, how many digits are left for tens place? 4 digits are left. So, tens place can be filled in 4 different ways. Suppose we are fixing 1 and 2 here. Now, how many digits left? 3, 4, 5. If we are fixing any 2 digits here, how many digits are left for the third place? 3 digits. Is it clear? If we are fixing any 2 digits, 2, 3, we are fixing 2 and 3 here, then 1, 4, 5 is left for the unit place. That means the unit place can be filled using any of the 3 digits in 3 different ways. Okay? Then, what is the total number of numbers possible? Total number of 3-digit number possible. Using fundamental principle of counting, 5 into 4 into 3. 5 fours are 20, 20 into 3, 60 3-digit numbers are possible using the digits 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 without repetition. Now consider this question. How many 3-digit even numbers can be found using the digits 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. If digits can be repeated and digits cannot be repeated. How many 3-digit even numbers? Here one condition is there, 3-digit as well as even number. So, unit, 10, hundreds place. We know a number is said to be an even number if it ends with 2, 4, 6, 8 or 0. Here the possibilities are 2, 4 and 6. If there is any condition, then fulfill the condition first. If there is any condition, then fulfill the condition first. Here 3-digit even number condition is there. So fulfill the condition first. So unit place can filled only using the digits 2, 4 and 6. Unit place can only be filled using the digits 2, 4 and 6. So this can be done in 3 different ways. Now since repetition of digits is allowed, Hundreds place can be filled using any of the digits 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 in 6 different ways. 6 different ways. Again, repetition of digits is allowed. Therefore, tens place 2 can be filled using the 6 digits in 6 different ways. Again, using fundamental principle of counting, total numbers possible is equal to 6 into 6 into 3. 6 6 are 36, 36 into 3, 108. 108. This is repetition of digits is allowed. Now second case, if repetition of digits is not allowed. Again, 3 places, unit, tens and hundreds place. Again, condition is here, 3-digit even number without repetition. Condition is there, so fulfill the condition first. Unit place can be filled using 2, 4 or 6 in 3 different ways. Now, we have to fix one digit here first. We are fixing 2 here. Then how many digits are left? 1, 3, 4, 5, 6. 5 digits are left. So, hundreds place, for hundreds place only 5 digits are left. Either we are fixing 2 or 4 or 6. After fixing 1 digits, only 5 digits are left. So, hundreds place can be filled in 5 different ways. Now, 1 digit is fixed here, 1 digit is fixed here. After fixing 2 digits, how many digits left? 4 digits left. Any 4 digits. You can either fix 2 and 1 or 4 and 3. Whatever be the 2 digits, how many digits left is important. 4 digits left. So, tens place can be filled in 4 different ways. Using fundamental principle of counting, total number of numbers possible. Using fundamental principle of counting, total number of numbers possible is 5 into 4 into 3. 5 4s are 20, 3s are 60. So this is the possible 3-digit even numbers using 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 with repetition or without repetition. Now consider one more question. How many 4-digit numbers can be formed using the digits 1, 2, 3, 7, 5, 0? If repetition of digits allowed, if repetition of digits not allowed. If 0 is there, then 0 is the villain. Be careful if 0 is there. We have to form 4-digit number using 1, 2, 3, 7, 5 and 0. If repetition of digits is allowed. If we fill, this is the unit, tens, hundreds, thousands place. If we fill thousands place using 0, it becomes a 3-digit number. It becomes a 3-digit number. Indirectly condition is there. We cannot fill the thousands place using 0. So 0 is not possible. 0 is not possible. We can fill thousands place using all the other 5 digits. 1, 2, 3, 7 and 5 in 5 different ways. But for hundreds place, tens place and units place, there is no restriction. We can fill all the 6 digits here. So, hundreds place can be filled using the 6 digits in 6 different ways. Since repetition of digits allowed, tens place 2 can be filled using the 6 digits in 6 different ways, and unit place 2 can be filled using the 6 digits in 6 different ways. So total possibility is 6 into 6 into 6 into 5. So total possibility using fundamental principle of counting is 6 into 6 into 6 into 5. 6 5s are 30. 6 6 are 36. 6 3s are 18. 1080 is the answer. 1080 numbers can be formed using the digits 1, 2, 3, 7, 5 and 0. Now second part, if repetition of digits is not allowed. Unit 10, hundreds and thousands place. Again, thousands place cannot be filled using the digit 0. 0 not possible. So this place can be filled using the remaining 5 digits. After fixing one digit here, suppose we are fixing 1 here, how many digits are left? 2, 3, 7, 5, 0. Or we are fixing 2 here, how many digits are left? 5 digits are left. Means if we fix any digit other than 0 here, 5 digits are remaining. That means hundreds place can also be filled using the 5 different digits. Now fix 2 digits here, 1 and 2. How many digits are left? 4 digits are left. If we fix any 2 numbers here, 4 digits are left for the tens place. So that can be done in 4 different ways. Okay. After fixing the 3 digits here, how many are left? 3 are left. So units place can be filled using the 3 digits in 3 different ways. So what is the total number possible using fundamental principle of counting? Total number possible is 5 into 5 into 4 into 3. 5 4s are 20, 5 3s are 15, 15 2s are 30. So 300 numbers possible. 300 numbers possible. Hope the concept of fundamental principle of counting is clear to you now. Thank you for watching my video. Keep practicing. I will be back with more videos. Till then,